Hello everyone, this is Dory here. Today is Saturday and temperature is around 48 degrees. We're in Old Town Alexandria, Virginia, a very lovely historic town known for the hometown of George Washington actually. We're currently on Union Street and we're gonna walk down up to King Street, which is the main street of Old Town Alexandria. I'm actually kind of testing a few different things here lately. I wanted to see if you would prefer video walking tours that are not narrated or whether you prefer to have some sort of narration. Let me know in the comments down below. I also wanted to know whether you like walking into the stores while we're doing our walking tour. I personally enjoy it. I like going to different shops, window shopping, especially if it's a locally owned store. I think it shows character of the neighborhood as well. But let me know what you think. Do you prefer just walking down the streets without walking into the stores? Or do you enjoy going in and checking out the stores really quickly or more in-depth? This store here is the Old Town Alexandria store. Inside there's a lot of souvenirs that are specifically about Old Town Alexandria, Virginia. So let me know if you like this kind of video or you prefer just a quick shot of it. Let me know what you prefer. King Street is really lovely. I originally was thinking of going to Middleburg, Virginia, but somehow it didn't work out. So I decided to check out Old Town Alexandria instead. It's pretty close to where I live. And right there is the Potomac River waterfront actually. And I have another video where I show you this area and we're gonna walk there together. And this street here is King Street, the main area of Old Town Alexandria. And now on King Street and Union is a store called the Lucky Knot. Let's check out what's in there. Looks like it's clothing store, women's clothing store, and it looks quite festive here. A lot of reds and greens and plaids. Lots and lots of it. If you ever come here in King Street, Old Town, I would recommend the restaurant on my right. That was the fish market. They have really good seafood. I ordered shrimp and their grits. It was really delicious. And I'm normally not a grits person. Let's keep walking. And as you can see, there's a lot of nice outdoor seating now. I think restaurants has become more creative now and add some pizzazz in those outdoor seating areas. And across the street are all just restaurants in the area. Many of them are quite good actually. We're now on S. Lee Street and King Street. Many of this building are really are very historic. I remember one of them actually was a slave quarter back in the 18th century. There's also a lot of very nice looking areas in the smaller street. So when you visit here in Old Town Alexandria, you have to definitely make sure to check the small streets too, because they are just as pretty, although they're not as compact as as all of them are all together, but they're more spread out. The nice shops, the nice architecture. And here is a historic little museum of Apothecary. Is that how you pronounce it? It's built in the 18th century also. And I guess it's a place where they used to make medicine and sell them. So I don't know. I guess it's somewhat like the modern day pharmacy, but they also make the medicine in this place. Very cool. We're now back outside, and if we walk further there, down closer towards the metro station, there will be more of the main retail brands. So we're gonna turn around and check out other stores from the King Street area. So let me know if you like this video, and let me know if you prefer this kind of walking tour where there's some sort of narration to explain the surroundings, and or if you prefer where it's completely unnarrated. If you also notice, I have added some background music and cut out the ambience and street sounds. This is because sometimes when I'm doing the walking tour and recording, copyrighted music might be playing from restaurants, and it's a little challenging to take them out, separate them and remove them from video during the editing process. But let me know if you do like to hear those sounds and prefer that. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for joining me. We are back now on the Union Street. And like I said, in the next video, I'll walk you to the waterfront area, which is right there. And I'll also show you the inside of this building where the torpedo factory is. I'll see you next time. Bye.